In this video, we will show you how to reset Epson ET-4700 and ET-2710 or ET-2711 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. Okay, before you download this resetter or adjustment programs, we suggest you to disable for a while all of your antivirus, including Windows Real-Time Protection and the Temper Protection if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. After you disable for a while your antivirus, you can download the resetter, the link on comments. After you download the file, you can just right-click and select Extract All. After you extract the file, just open the resetter folder, run the adjustment program by double-clicking in this file. For the first time use, you need to input the password that you can see on this file. Okay, just double-click in here. In here, you need to select your printer model. There is 3 model name here. Okay, let I just say. For example, I will using ET-4700 printer, and you can click OK in here and select particular adjustment mode button after that. Okay, scroll down, select wash ink pad counter and click OK. In here, you need to tick main pad counter option and flatten pad counter. After that, you can click check button. Then you can click initialize button. After the resetter works, you can just turn off the printer. Then you can turn back on your printer again. But if you encounter error here, you can try to repeat the resetting process and try to move your USB printer into another available port on your computer. Okay, that's all tutorial how to reset Epson ET-4700 printer and etc. Thanks for watching.